straighten my hair. After a whole year and over 3 months, I'm about to flat iron my hair. Last time it's been touched with a flat iron was October 2017, and it's just wild to me, and I don't know how to feel. I have like mixed emotions. I'm like, what if I don't like it anymore? Like, what if I don't like the way my hair looks when it's flat iron? Because I naturally have thin hair, you know. It doesn't look thin here, but when my hair's flat iron, it be looking like I ain't got no strands on my head. But so I'm like, what if I'm not feeling it, or what if I just don't really care for my hair to be straight anymore? Oh no, I just got all these different feelings. I bought a new flat iron. So I usually use the Serum flat iron, but that died on me before I moved here to Georgia. So it was either me get a new Serum or get a Babybliss. So I decided I'll get a Babybliss, try something new. So I got that flat iron I think 2 days ago too as well. And then the Blowdryer that I use the Yellowbird Conair Blowdryer. Just so y'all know, because once I get into this process of flat ironing and blow drying and all that, I ain't gonna be talking. So I just want to let y'all know ahead of time and just say, hey, what's up, hello, and let's get this process started. I'm so, I don't know how to feel. I'm excited, I'm nervous, I'm okay. Y'all, look at my hair. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. When I like look at my hair from a year and 3 months ago to now, it's a huge difference. Wow, y'all. Look at my hang time. Look at my hang time.